Dohispa Universal Filter Cleaning Method. Turn the motor to the left and open it. The silver net inside is the primary filter that filters out foreign substances. Take out the net and use a brush to remove foreign substances stuck in the net. There is also an additional secondary filter in the motor part. If you can remove it, please remove it and wash it. If you reinstall, turn the silver net in the concave direction. Please put it on the motor and turn the filter back. How to manage the water box. After you loosen the rubber plug on the back, remove the screw and open the cover. There is a filter inside. If you have any foreign substances in the filter, you can clean the foreign substances inside the water box. When you install the filter again, install the filter downward instead of upward. Then, cover the cover and tighten the screw again.